Hello, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Are y'all a die-hard fan of corn? Well, I've got a great dish to share with y'all. We're going to make honey butter skillet corn. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be loaded with butter, honey, and cream cheese. How yummy does that sound? And this would be great to serve with chicken, meatloaf, pork chops, you name it. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Mixed Berry Crisp. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your corn on the cob, your skillet, your honey and butter sugar, because we're about to cook some honey butter skillet corn magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our corn. I have 16 ounces of fresh corn on the cob. That's about 5 or 6 corns. And also, if fresh corn ain't in season, you can use a 16-ounce bag of frozen corn. And I also rinsed my corn. So we're going to grab one. Look how pretty that is. And we're going to remove the corn nibblers off the cob. And keep your fingers out the way. And place it in my large bowl. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting my nibblers off the rest of my cobs, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through cutting my corn nibblers. I got them all into my bowl. So now I'm going to set this aside while I heat up my skillet. I'm using my cast iron skillet, or you can use a regular skillet. I have my fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, or you can use salted butter, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Oh yes, anything with honey and butter is going to be amazing. Doesn't get any better than that. Going to twirl it around so it can coat the pan. So now we're going to let the butter and honey melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the butter and honey has melted. So now we're going to add in our corn niblets. Give it a stir. And we're going to let the corn cook for 8 minutes until it's cooked through. All right, my friends, our corn is nice and cooked. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of fresh corn. Now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. The cream cheese, I'm going to add in 4 ounces, which is a half of an 8-ounce block. And I cut them into cubes. And our seasonings, 1/4 teaspoon each of kosher salt or regular table salt, and white pepper, or you can use black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to give it a little kick. And stir this together until it's well combined. So now we're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes. And that's it, my friends. After that, it is ready to serve. So we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Honey butter skillet corn. Doesn't that look good? And off camera, I sprinkle on some chopped fresh parsley. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Sweet, tender. I can taste the honey. The corn is perfectly cooked. Super buttery. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Honey butter skillet cornlicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook Ellen's Homemade Delights and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and much love.